Well, hello, my mad scrappers. Let me book my little violets out of the way. I am here. You're probably gonna wondering why is she here with a stack of cards on her desk? But this is me, okay? When do I do anything that ever makes any sense? Anyway, I'm coming to you very late with this video, but I wanted to show you at least some of what I have going out for Cards for Cubs. Their campaign started. It started on March 1st. I've been working on it, for months now. You've heard me talking about it. So I'm well into what I'm going to be donating, but I wanted to bring it to everyone else's attention. If you guys can put anything together, it's going on right now through March 30th or 31st, whatever the end of the month is. They are taking donations. I'm going to switch over in a second to the screen so I can show you more information, but I did want to share. I mean, this is what I've already got done, and you have seen all of these cards. These are all of my Funfold Fridays that I've been doing. Any card that I've been doing, I have literally stuck to the mantra, make one, make 10. And I have on this one, I kind of broke the mold because one, I fell in love with the paper, and two, I just fell in love with the design. So I probably have more than that here, and I have more in the making. I just need to literally stamp the oh my goodness, the sentiment. I already have the outside blue already cut out. I just need to stamp the sentiment and cut those out, and then punch out a bunch of butterflies and glue them down. And my other granddaughter's been having a blast helping me with that. I think I have a burgeoning scrapbook or card maker on my hands. Yes! One! I have three daughters, none of them craft. Oh my gosh, finally it's somebody. Anyway, I wanted to show you, you can do this. Even if you can't make some now, put that bug in your ear. Make a couple of extra cards every time you make a card and set it aside. And because I really do believe we can make a difference with these cards. Cards for Cubs specifically is for kids who are in the foster care system, who are the forgotten kids. And they should not be forgotten. We need to, it's hard to be in that system already as is. So let's do our part to make their life better. So give me a second. I'm going to switch over on screen and show you everything else. Okay. So I'm going to be right back. All right, peeps, I am back here. I'm back to the email I received originally, or not the original email, but one of the more current ones for Cards for Cubs. And again, it's telling me, well, as I told you, it is accepting card donations now. Their mailbox is open now through March 31st. We're just about at the halfway point of that, so I know that I'm giving you guys a heads up late, and for that I sincerely apologize. Hopefully, maybe you already have some to donate. You've already made some. I do, and I'm just sorry. Just life has gotten past me as usual. But anyway, I wanted to pass this on now because it's never too late. It's never too late to start. Whether you can get 10 cards done or 50 cards done. It's totally up to you. So anyway, we are doing, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to let you know. So this is where it is. It's open now through March 31st. As I told you, there are some changes in it. For starters, they are currently accepting birthday cards and encouraging cards. And that is, as I say here, to remind each child that they are important and loved. I mean, these are kids that are in the foster care system. And they are the forgotten children, the ones that feel unloved, who have been abandoned, who have been through, we don't even want to know what they've been through. So we can do our part to help the people that work with them make them feel special, because all children are special. Period. End of statement. So if you want to participate, you would go this. I'm sending you. I think that when I click on this, it sends you to the link where you can sign up. I will post this in the description, the link to where to sign up, so you can go ahead and sign up. And it says here, the mailbox closes on March 31st, so it's that 16 days and umpteen hours away. I would give yourself 3 to 4 days at least before you send them in, maybe 5. So I know that only gives you about 10 days to get anything done, but it doesn't matter. A little bit is better than nothing. And again, I feel responsible. I apologize for letting you know so late that this needed that
this is going on already. So, and I mean, I'm still finishing cards myself. All of those cards that I showed you that I've been doing that I cut one, I cut 10. I am now, madly myself working to get them done. Mind you, I already have a drawer full of cards. I know I have well over 100 cards to send in, but that's because I've been working on it all year. So it's something to think about for next year. Let's do this all together. All right. So anyway, here's where you would sign up. You put your name, your email address, and to enter a password, and then it'll take you through the paces of what you need to do. All right. I'm already signed up. So actually, I have not. So let me take it back. So let's do this. So let's do this. Now that I remember, I haven't even so much as signed up. I mean, I have it from last year, so that's why I'm on the email list, but I have not made my pledge yet. So let me do that right now. So give me 1 second and let me enter a password and let's move along. Okay, I am an individual, so that means I am one. So now you see I'm taking you through what you need to do as you're going through there to sign up. So when you get a group of friends to do this, um, how many encouragement cards, how many birthday cards am I making? I'm gonna go 50-50 because I can change my cards up right now. So I'm gonna go half and half because I'm pledging 100 cards. All right. And again, down here it says must be in increments of 10. All right. So then let's move on to next. So it asks you how many you're planning. Where are you donating from? So I am donating from the United States. I am donating from Fullerton, California. It already gives me that option. So there we go. So we're going to take that. And now it asks me, oops, where did you hear about us? Social media. It's from CSV. I think it was them. I get their email. So you guys that I'm just going to select that. Okay. Create an account. So hey, if you hear it from me and you sign up, you can say influencer and put me down so they know about me. I would appreciate it. Okay, create account. So it'll go blah, blah, blah. Fixer already has been taken. So I need to go in differently. But now you know how to do it if you're a first timer on this. Okay, I'm going to go in and log in differently and make my and sign in for my pledge. So I'm going to take you now to another page I have here. Here are the guidelines. This is a notification for the new guidelines. And this is just the fast checklist. They have to be handmade. They have to be paired with envelopes. Blank or have a short sentiment. I'm just leaving them blank. That's what I am doing. Bundled in packs of 10, and they must be in birthday or an encouragement. Here is a longer list, and I'm going to go through this line by line with you, okay? So let me start with number 1. All cards must be handmade. No store-bought cards. Don't cheat, people. Come on. Each card should be as special and personal as the child receiving them. No plainer way to say that. Size recommendations. This is a change from the past. They will take A7s, which is their 5x7, a 4x6, which is A6, or a 4.5 by 5.5, or 4.25, excuse me, 5.5, which is our standard A2. All of my cards right now are A2 because that's what I'm used to. So I've already made all of my for next year. Now I know when I make A5 or A7 cards for my videos, I can now do the same, apply the same rule and make them also cut 1, cut 10, cut 10. So remember that. Their preferred method of shipping, USPS medium flat rate boxes. I send mine priority and the heck with that. And I fit it in one of their boxes. All cards should be appropriate for all ages. Don't just think little kids. Think also the word, there are from small little children in the foster care system all the way through high school age. So spread it out. Cards should be blank inside or contain a short sentiment such as happy birthday or I believe in you and unicorns too. Keep it short and sweet so foster care agencies can write to a child's specific needs, excuse me. We are only accepting birthday and encouragement cards. Check out our free phrases. So they have birthday phrases and encouragement phrases. So these are all phrases that you can download and print up and die cut out. Wahoo! You can't ask for anything more than that. They make it easy for you to do this. And I'm sure the same thing is for encouragement. So here are all encouragement ones. This is fabulous. Okay. So let's go back to our list. And I will link you to those 2 pages as well. Okay, guys, just so you know. Number 7, cards should be well received across any demographic, religion, or culture. Remember that children in the foster system are from every walk of life, every creed, every color, every religion. Do not just make it a religion to what you participate in. Let you know whether you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you're Jewish, you're agnostic. It doesn't matter. Make it so that it works for everybody. We're going to respect everyone else's belief system, including children who may not have one. You don't know, but this is now not the moment to try to convince them and bring them over to your side. Make it so that it's great for anyone. Okay, set your own beliefs aside and think of the children only. Okay, and that's all I'm going to say on the subject. Envelopes are required for each card. 30 cards, 30 envelopes. Place each card under the corresponding envelope flap, not inside the envelope. Okay, so you tuck it in between the flap and the envelope itself. Okay, so they're together. Cards should be bundled in packs of 10 and labeled birthday or encouragement. We ask that all card donations are a minimum of a 1 pack equal 10 cards and corresponding envelopes. Number 10, bundle your cards using new cotton hairbands, string, ribbon, or paper bands, or avoid bands that will bite into the cards and envelopes over time. Okay, so don't rubber band them. Just how we get our card kits that, just cut up a bunch of strips of copy paper and use that to band up and, just tape them together. Number 11, all cards must be mailed to Cards for Cubs HQ. And let me go here. No, that's that. That's that. Let me go over here. And here it is. I will link you to this page, which shows you where to send your cards to. Okay. They have a QR code you can look at, and here's the address. All right. That's where they all go to. Now let's go back to the email I'm reading back here. Okay, card designs can be replicated. In other words, hey, like I am doing, this goes back to speaks to cut 1, cut 10. You can make 10 of the same card and just do different because they're going to spread the love around. Okay, so you can make 10 of the same card, and what I do is I split them. That's what I've done with these. I've split them half and half, half encouragement, half birthday. Do the same. Make it easy on yourself. It makes for producing cards easier, which is why I've hit on doing so many of the most recent card, because once I got into the rhythm, it made it easy for me just to produce more. Do the same thing. Okay, last but not least, shaker, spinner, and windows are accepted. We encourage creativity. Goes back to make those cards as special as you can. They'll take them, and here are examples of cards. Here are the examples. Bundle of cards. Here it is. How they're seeing them, and you're seeing cards here just with a simple stamp on them, and that's great. Stamp it, emboss it instead of just the ink. At least emboss it with just anything. I'm all for making it as special as I can, along with being able to the ability to mass produce them. But think about who are going to be receiving these cards. And kids are special. They need to be made to feel special. So if you could put that little extra into it, do it, which is why I'm doing these cards. And then I stamp all the back of my cards, as you know, with my little stamp. And all of the cards are going this time with the same stamp, handmade, because you're worth it. Even from the back, they know that they were deserving and worth a handmade card. So these are all examples of what is acceptable. Make that card special, you guys. You are special. You have a talent. You have a gift. You're blessed. Pass that along, okay? And here is a box. Here's how they're showing how they should be boxed. And here's an example how they want that card tucked into that envelope, okay? And so they give you all the information, and I'm providing you all the information to make this easy. And let's get cracking on making cards, okay? And let's push. I'm pushing. I'm gonna make 100. I'm gonna try to make it more because I already got a head start on this. All right. So I'm putting my cards where my mouth is. All right. And let me see. Do I have? Okay. These are the things I want to make sure I didn't skip anything that I wanted you to see. Everything is there. So I've got everything, guys. So go out there. I'm going to let you go now so that I can continue. I have to go back to work, and and I'm literally, kid you not, I'm not kidding you. As I'm talking on the phone with clients, I'm doing things with these cards. It's whether I'm punching out things or I'm stamping, because I can only do so much when I'm on the phone. If I'm caught up with office work, then I'm doing this because I share the same space. So, anyway, go out there and craft for this. Make something beautiful, and always remember to make that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day. So go out there and make a difference with your craft. All right. And as always, know that we're all a little mad here. Okay. So come on, people, craft the madness with me for Cards to Cubs. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. No, wait, one more thing. I don't know how I did not mention this, guys. And this is something some of you, I know that some of my viewers have done this before and are well aware. But Cards for Cubs is done through Barely Art. This is Barely Art Glue's brainchild. They're the ones that put this together, that support it, and they do this out of as I like to say, out of the goodness of the cold black hearts. But it's not. They believe in this, and they put all of their efforts, they donate all of their time and everything to make this happen. So so it's not only just a great glue, and you guys know I use it, but they they believe in doing good. So I wanted to make sure that you were aware of who puts this together. All right, because where good is done, we should shine a light on it. So I wanted to really quick bring that to your attention for those of you who are not aware of who puts Cards to Cubs together. Okay, now I'm going to let you go. Go do your thing. Love you guys. Bye.